Good morning, girls. How are you today? Are you fine? That's good. Okay. Are you excited to start my lesson for today, girls? We will start a new unit today, girls. Now, let's start. But before starting, let me ask you about an important thing about the day and the day. Who can tell me? What's the day today, girls? Today is Monday. Let's spell the word together, girls. Monday again. Monday, and the date is 4/2/1442 after Hijrah. Again, the day is 4/2. Today is Monday, Monday, and the date is 4/2/1442 after Hijrah. Okay, girls? Now, please, girls, I want you to open your notebook and copy these sentences in your notebook in the handwriting section, girls. Copy these sentences, girls. What's the matter? I'm sleepy. What's the matter? I'm sleepy. Please, girls, don't forget to write the day with the date with you, okay? Copy this sentence in your notebook in the handwriting section and don't forget to write the day with the date, okay? Now, today we will start a new unit, Unit 2, Lesson 1, but let's discover together what's the title of this unit or what's the secret word in this unit. Now, we have the alphabet English letters. Now, I want you to discover what's the secret word. Here we have cat, C, letter C, then lemon, L, orange, O, tiger, T, hat, H, egg, E, sun, S. So the secret word of my lesson today is clothes. Again, clothes, clothes. The title of my lesson is about clothes or things we wear. Things we wear. Okay, girls? Now, let's take a quick revision before starting my lesson for today. Let me ask you, who is your best friend, girls? Who is your best friend? You should answer, my best friend is, for example, Sarah. Okay, girls? Now, let's start my own lesson for today by this picture. What can you see in this picture? I can see a bedroom, I can see a bed, a curtain, a window, a rug, and a wardrobe. Can you tell me, girls, what is the wardrobe? This is the wardrobe. This is the wardrobe. Now, let's spell the word wardrobe together. Wardrobe. What can you put inside your wardrobe? You can put your clothes, your shoes, your bags, and your hats, right? So, now, if I ask you what's your favorite clothes, my favorite clothes is dresses. My favorite clothes is pants. My favorite clothes is t-shirts. My favorite clothes is mm, dresses. Okay, girls? Now, a possessive pronoun. Let's discuss together. What do I mean by a possessive pronoun? A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. What are these pronouns? Mine, his, hers, ours, theirs, and its. For example, this is my hat. I want to say it's my hat. What can I say? I can say it's mine without saying this is my hat. I can take the hat and say this is mine or it's mine. Okay, girls? Now let's see. What are the possessive pronouns? We have mine, hers, his, ours, theirs, and yours. Here the possessive pronouns. What are the possessive adjectives? My, mine, her, hers, his, our, ours, their, theirs, your, yours. When I say this is my hat, it is mine. This is her dress, it's hers. This is his car, it's his. This is our classroom, it's ours. These are their bags, these are theirs. This is your book, it's yours. Okay, girls? Now let's ask using whose and answer using mine, his, hers, theirs, ours, and its. We will learn How can you ask using prepositions, girls, now? Now we have ask using whose. You will start using whose first, whose, WHOSE. Then, what's the noun that I want to ask about? I have what here? A plows, right? So, whose plows? Whose plows? Then, how many plows do I have? I only have one plows, right? So, whose plows is this? Because singular, I have only one plows, okay? So, here I have a girl, right? This means this plows refers to this girl. Now, it is hers. It is hers, because this is her blouse. It is hers. Number two, I have a t-shirt and a boy, right? We will start ask using whose, then we have a t-shirt. Whose t-shirt? Here I have a t-shirt. How many t-shirt do I have? One. So, whose t-shirt is this? Whose t-shirt is this? Here I have a boy. So, it is his. Okay, girls? Now, number three. I have so many hats and girls. Now we will start asking using whose. Whose? Then what do I have here? Hats. Whose hats? Hats. Singular or plural? Plural. So whose hats are these? These are theirs. These are theirs. Okay, girls? Now use the correct possessive pronoun in the following sentences. We have it's my hat. Here, it's my hat. The possessive pronoun of my is what? Mine. It's mine. Okay? Then, it's her dress. Here we have a dress and a girl. I can say it's her dress, it's hers. Direct. Okay? It's hers. Okay, now? Number three, these are his pants. We have a boy here. These are his. And number four, these are their bags. It refers to those girls. I can say those are theirs. And instead of adding their bags, I can add only theirs. Okay? Now let's see the first word in my lesson today. We have what inside the word robe? We have a skirt. So the first word is skirt. Let's spell the word together. Skirt. Skirt. Make a sentence using like. I like your skirt, or I like your black skirt. Two, I have a blouse. Now give me the spelling of blouse. Plouse. Plouse. Now make a sentence using like. I like my pink blouse. I like my pink blouse. So skirt, blouse. Here number three, pants. Pants. Let's spell the word pants. 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 Make a sentence using like. I like her pants. I like her pants. Number four, I have a blue t-shirt. Now the fourth word of my lesson today is t-shirt. Tshirt. Tshirt. Make a sentence using like. I like his t-shirt. I like his purple t-shirt. I like your t-shirt. Now we have number five, I think. Give me the spelling of this word. We have hats. 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 Make a sentence using like. I like wearing hats. I like wearing hats. Okay? And the last word, number six. What can you see? I can see a red dress. I can see a red dress. Now, I want you to give me the spelling of the word dress. 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 Now, I want you to make a sentence using like. I like wearing red dress. Like wearing red dresses, for example, okay? Now, please, girls, we have dresses, we have hats, clothes, t-shirts, skirts, okay, and hats. Now, قال تعالى لئن شكرتم لأزيدنكم. Okay, girls, what did you understand from this ayah? We understood from this ayah that we have to thank my God for everything we have in this life, for foods, for clothes, for water, for everything we have in our lives. Okay? Now, please, girls, I want you to open your books, page number 12 and 13. Page number 12 and 13. Write the day with the date, please. Write the day with the date, please, girls. Monday, Monday, and the date is 4/2/1442 after Hijrah. Now, listen and point. Listen and point. Number 1.
Unit 2. Things we wear. Talk time. Exercise 1. Listen and point.
Hi, Safruda. Hi. Wow, I like your hat. Thank you. Whose hat is this? It's not mine. It's mine. Thank you.
Okay, girls, let's move to exercise number 3. Listen, point a number, then say. Number 1 is already done. Who is number 1? Let's see number 2, 3, and 4.
Sounds and letters. Exercise 3. Listen, point, and number. Then say.
Are you ready? Listen and number first. 1. Who? Who? 2. Whose? Whose? 3. What? What? 4. White. White. Who? Who? Whose? Whose?
2.
What? What?
3.
White.
1 and
White.
4.
Listen, read, and say. Who's wearing white? Who's wearing white?
Okay. Now, fun time. Whose is this? Listen, please.
Fun time. Exercise 4. Whose is this? Ask your classmates about people's belongings.
Are you ready? Let's start. Whose hat is this?
It's mine. Thank you.
Whose bag is this?
It's mine. Thank you.
Who?
Okay, girls, we will ask each other in the online life. Okay, girls? Now, I want you to open your activity book, girls. Open your activity book, please. I think it's page number 71 and 72, 71 and 72. Listen, please.
Hi, are you ready for goal 9? I can ask, whose is this? 1. Listen, point, and practice.
Whose hat is this? It's mine. Whose pen is this? It's not mine. Whose bag is this? It's mine. Whose cup is this? It's not mine.
Now,
Okay, now, number 2. Draw lines and match. Here we have mouse, candy, squirrel, cheese, boy, acorn. I want to match the boy with what? The squirrel with what? And the mouse with what? The mouse with cheese, the boy with candy, and the squirrel with acorn. Okay, girls? Now, goal 10. I can meet someone and say, I like your. Now,
let's do goal 10. I can meet someone and say, I like your 1. Listen, point, and practice.
I like your hat. Thank you. I like your t-shirt. Thank you. I like your jacket.
Please, girls, I want you to trace the gray words. This is the end of my lesson. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time, girls.